Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we will discuss an important topic, enabling Bing Map on our entity form in Dynamics 365. If you see here, this is my account form, and if you go to any account, then if I will choose the view from active account to all accounts so that I can choose an account. So let me open an account here. Once I will open here, if I will go down, then I will see the map is disabled for the organization. Okay, it will display. Although the address is given, the map is not displaying here because it is disabled organization label. Now, how to enable that being map so that users can see the address on the map? We will see that in our video. Okay. Now we have two options to enable this Bing map. Okay, the first option is we have to enable in classic mode, and another is in using Power Platform mode. So first we have to go to advanced settings. Okay, once we will go to advanced settings, this window will open, and then we have to go to administration. In the administration section, we have to click the system settings. And once we click system settings, if I'll in general tab, if I will go down, we will see a section called as Bing Map integration. Okay, enable Bing Map. Here you have to read all the statutory warning or information that has been given to you. It is asking about the you are giving consent to share the information to external service. And if you want to read the privacy information, privacy policy, then you have to read using this link. And once you are okay with this statement, then you will find there is a flag yes and no, and you have to click, by default it is no, but to enable it, click on yes and click OK. Once this process is done, we have to go back to the account form or any form that stores a address. Now here I will refresh the form, and once I will refresh the form, I'm expecting the Bing map will load for me and targeting the address. Okay, let me go down, and yes, it is showing now. The Bing map is displayed with the correct address that has been given for the account. So if you go any entity that stores some address, then the Bing map will be visible, because we have enabled the Bing map integration organization wide. So any entity that are part of your organization will have this feature. Okay. Now the second thing is we have to go to Power Platform. If you don't want to use classic mode of settings, then you can go to admin.powerplatform.com, click on environments, and once you click the environments, you have to click the correct environment. And once you click the environment, go to the settings tab, setting option, then you will find the products option, then click on features. Here you will find the embedded content. In this embedded content section, you will find three options. One of them is Bing map option. So click on this Bing map yes. As I have already done it, so it was already yes. But if it was previously no, then click on yes, then click on finish. Okay. Now once you click on yes and click save button, once it is as it is disabled, it is already enabled the Bing map, so the save button is disabled, but you can make a click on save for your case. Then once you refresh it, it will work correctly. Okay, so any entity, if you go to contact entity also, and if you go to lead entity, it will display the map. If I'll go to contact entity, let's say open any contact, let's say let me open this one, and if I'll go down, as this entity also stores some address details, the map will display it, and it will be pointing to the location with the same address. Okay,